Are you looking to switch your Twitter profile to an event venue on your PC, but not sure how to do it? Well, worry no more. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to make the transition smooth and easy. First, locate your profile image at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, locate and click on the button that says Edit Profile. This will take you to your profile settings. Now, scroll down until you see the option to edit your professional profile. Click on it to access more detailed settings. Within this section, look for the Category option. Click on it to open a list of categories. In the search bar, type in Event Venue and select it from the options provided. This will help tailor your profile to reflect your business or service accurately. Once you've chosen Event Venue, don't forget to click on the Save button to confirm your changes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily switch your profile to an event venue on Twitter using your PC. So go ahead and give it a try to enhance your online presence. Remember, it's all about making the right adjustments to showcase your business or services effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your social media profiles.